In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch back to Google Assistant from Gemini AI. If you tried Gemini and now prefer the classic Google Assistant experience, this walkthrough will guide you through the exact settings to make the switch. We'll keep it simple, and I'll explain what you'll see at each step so nothing feels confusing. Start by opening the Google app on your phone. This is the standard Google app you use for searches. Make sure you're signed into your Google account in this app, since the setting we need lives under your profile. At the top right of the Google app, tap your profile picture or initial. That opens your account menu. This is where Google groups your personal settings, preferences, and app controls. From this menu, tap Settings. You're heading into the area that manages how Google's services behave on your device. If you don't see it right away, scroll a little. It's usually near the bottom of the menu. Inside Settings, tap Google Assistant. This section is dedicated to how the Assistant behaves, whether it's Gemini or the classic Google Assistant. Going in here lets you choose which assistant you want to use moving forward. Next, tap Digital Assistant. On some phones, this might appear as Digital Assistant, Assistant, or Default Digital Assistant app. The label can vary slightly depending on your device and region, but it's the option that controls which assistant is set as the default. You'll now see the available options for your digital assistant. Tap Google Assistant. This confirms that you want the classic Google Assistant to handle voice commands, on-screen help, and other assistant features instead of Gemini. After you make this selection, your device will route assistant requests to Google Assistant by default. That's it. You've switched back to Google Assistant. From here, your assistant experience should look and feel familiar again, with the responses and interface you're used to. If your menus looked a bit different along the way, don't worry. That's normal across different Android versions and device brands. Just look for the same key terms: Settings, Google Assistant, and Digital Assistant, and then pick Google Assistant as your choice. If the option didn't appear at first, give the Google app a moment to refresh and make sure you're in the Google app's settings rather than your phone's general settings. Small differences in layout won't change the result, as long as you select Google Assistant under the Digital Assistant choice. Thanks for following along, and enjoy using Google Assistant again.